What's up, folks? This is Josh for Fair RC, bringing you a quick look at the all-new CR18P Rock Van Builders Edition from Hobby Plus. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the CR18P Rock Van, but we will be able to see the CR18P Harvester and the CR18P Trail Hunter kits coming soon. Kit features unassembled CR18 chassis, clear polycarbonate body with injection molded scale components. We have the LED light system, waterproof electronic system, 2.4 GHz radio system, metal transmission gears, brass wheel weights ×4, and an 050 55 turn high torque motor. All right, let's check out what's in the box. We already pulled out the body for something special, so we'll show you that in just a minute. We have bag A, chassis and shocks. Bag B is your transmission and motor with steel transmission gears. Bag C is your front axle with links and drive shaft already attached. Bag D is the rear axle with the links and drive shaft already attached. Bag E is your electronics bag with battery, charger, radio, and ESC. And finally, we have bag F with your wheels and wheel weights. They have foams, very nice. Comes with all of these stickers and decals for the body and an instruction manual. It's easy to follow. And there it is, folks. That's what you get a builder's kit for. Customization, or as Hobby Plus says, uniquely yours. It does come with LED lights, but we went ahead and installed the LED light bar and fog lights, specially made for the Rock Van. You can get those also from Fair RC. So check it out today, fairrc.com, for more models. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more informative and awesome videos from Fair RC. Thanks for watching.